What's up friends, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your spending limit on the Wise app. So as you can see here, I'm in my Wise app guys, and in order for us to change the spending limit, you have to click your profile on the upper left hand side, then scroll down to the settings section and you will find limits. So you tap on that. Here you have the ATM limits and you also have the spending limit. So depending on which currency you have as your default currency, you will see it. But if I go ahead and tap on spending limits, you can see my current spending limits, right? So I have a daily spending limit and a monthly spending limit, and I can go ahead and I can change these as well. So if I go ahead and tap on change spending limit, I can go ahead and I can change this to whatever I want, right? So let's say I want to change my daily spending limit to, let's make it 100,000 for example, right? So I can do something like 100,000. I can tap on save, and as you can see, no changes, right? At any point in time you can go back and you can change this. So I can go back and I can really put back this to the 722 as well. So it's really up to you on what you want to set it for, and once you change that, that's it. Very easy and very simple.